If you want to go ahead and write out emails, then Kimi can help you out as well. Let's say, for example, I need to write an email for a job application as an animator in Finland Animation Private Limited, right here, just like this. So simply go ahead and say that, and then what happens is that it gives the subject and says, "Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in animator position at Finland Animation Private Limited. I recently came across your job posting," and you can see that this is what you have. And here you can see that it gives the placeholder names as well. For example, project name right here. So in the project name, add let's say outsourcing animations, and then in name add Pratik Pradhan, and in qualification mention fresh graduate in graphics and animation BSc in Finland University, let's say, for example, right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then it'll go ahead and rewrite the email right here, just like this. It says, "I'm a fresh graduate with a BSc in graphics and animation from Finland University," and you can see that it changes out the email according to how I want. And that is how you can go ahead and write emails with Kimi as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.